Hello block chasers, PERIA miner. Are you finding it difficult to get blocks on PERIA? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step on how you can easily get blocks and still level up your balance. So before we continue, hit the subscribe button, like. You can find the link of this Airdrop platform in my description box or on the pinned message. Do wait to also join my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp group for more updates and information on any platform updates. When you register and you want to join my team, click on referral, scroll down and insert the referral code here and click on join. So the referral code will be on the screen. Early adopters were lucky enough to get blocks on PERIA without stress. So before, you can just come to solo and click on start mining. At the end of the 2 hours journey, you will get your PERIA. So sometimes you will get 30 blocks. Me in particular, in a day I do get over 90 blocks, more than 90 blocks in a day. But now to even get the 30 blocks is not difficult because PERIA token is not scarce, is not hard to get. So if you are finding it difficult to get blocks, so I'm going to show you guys how you can easily get it. Step one is the group PERIA. So this solo PERIA is no longer giving out blocks. It's difficult. It might be start mining it from Monday to Sunday and you will not get any block. So the easiest way to just do it is click on group. So as you can see, my team is already mining. So each phase gets 30 team. So when they are up to 30, their mining starts, it starts mining immediately. So this is Operation Secure My Spot. Here we rush. You don't have to be catwalking on your screen. So all you need to do is just, when it's time, the countdown is 0 and you see start, you just click it and join and secure your spots. When it's up to 30, the mining starts immediately. So you have to wait for the countdown to finish. So you still have up to 7 minutes to go before the next block. So I've already gotten 14 blocks on this one, which is 1.4 PERIA. So when the countdown finish, I'll come and claim this one. So don't fade, don't wait. As you can see, one of my mining has completed. So the one counting is the custom group, which means the group mining has completed. So I will now click on the group mining. Let's my 1.5 PERIA, which is blue. So this one basically mines block and divide it between 30 miners that joined the circle. So I will now click collect my share. So after collecting my share, I'll click on done. We will now wait for the next circle. As you can see, the countdown is dropping. So let's wait for it to get to 0 and we'll rush and secure another spot for today. So I'll click on join immediately. Yes, complete the capture. I'm the 11th person that joined. So which means if you wait a little bit longer, they will secure everything. 30, bam, it has closed. So they don't waste time. The way you are rushing, other people are rushing. So that's how the group mining is. Then the second option is the custom group mining. So as you can see, I've also secured my spot in this one. So this custom group mining is when they drop a code. So you now insert the code. If you are lucky, it's also 30 people per code. So you're also going to be fast about it. It's only 30 miners per a code. So be fast about it. When you see any available code, you put it in your spot, and when it's up to 30, the mining will start. So already I have 15 blocks in this one. So the other one is 14, this one is 15, and it's still counting. So it might be more than this at the end of the circle. So this is how you can still get blocks on PERIA. So the solo mining is still not working. So to get this custom group code is either you join their group, their Telegram group code, or you can also be active on my Telegram channel. There I also drop group code. So you have to be fast. Anyone that you click and is full, take the other one. Be checking until you secure a spot. Because the way you're rushing, other people are also rushing to secure their own spots. So PERIA token is scarce. We are doing Operation Secure Your Spot now. We are chasing this block. It's no longer wait, let our mind. You will have to rush, yo. You have to rush to secure your spot. So that's how to get blocks on this PERIA mining airdrop. That's all about the mining PERIA. You can check my previous video on how you can connect your wallet and how you can make a withdrawal on this PERIA. But take note, they have not launched yet. You can make withdrawal quite all right, but they have not launched yet. So it's when they launch that I will advise you guys to start making withdrawal. So for now, leave your token on your balance and keep on accumulating tokens. So that's the best thing you can do for yourself. So that's all about this PERIA. If this video is helpful, please drop your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop any updates.